This is a review of the Bosch Gex 125 AVE Professional Random Orbital Sander. I bought this product at a local store in Melbourne, Australia a few days ago, and I just started using it today to sand some plywood. It was working quite well actually for about 20 minutes. It sanded the plywood very well, and it was very comfortable on your hands because it didn't vibrate much at all. The problem with this product is that about 20 minutes into sanding, the sanding plate was making a funny noise, and I peeled off the sandpaper from the sanding plate, and I realized that the screw connecting to the actual sander was loose. It came off by itself, and when you take a closer look at the actual plate, it looks like the plastic thread sort of got chewed up by the screw. I contacted Bosch right away, and they told me that they would look into it, and they told me to just exchange it. And I'm not sure if I want to exchange it for another product like this, just because it seems very dangerous, and I don't want to have to run into this problem again. So most likely I will. Well, definitely I will exchange it for another product, probably by another company. And it's too bad because this thing was working wonders before I discovered the flaw.